Learn how to prepare fennel from Savory. Wash the fennel bulbs under cold running water. Remove any brown spots with a vegetable peeler. Cut off the stems and the very bottom of the bulb. Remove the fronds. You can finely chop and save the fronds to add later for flavor and garnish. Fennel can be cooked or eaten raw in salads or as part of a crudité platter. When eaten raw, the anise flavor is strongest and most pronounced. To serve raw, halve the bulb and use a sharp knife, mandolin, or food processor slicing disc to cut it into thin slices. The thinner the fennel is cut, the better. You can also braise fennel in water, white wine, broth, milk, or cream. Cut the bulb in thick slices or chunks and put them in a heavy saucepan. Use enough liquid to completely cover the fennel and bring to a boil. Simmer over low heat for approximately 12 minutes. Steaming fennel preserves its pure flavor. Place slices or pieces in a steamer or steamer basket and steam for 20 minutes. To roast fennel, preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Cut fennel into slices or pieces and spread out on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper or foil. Toss the fennel with olive oil and roast for about 30 minutes. You can also grill fennel. Brush with olive oil and place over hot coals or on a grill pan. Grill about 3 minutes per side. And those are the ins and outs of preparing fennel from Savory.